Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Ford Cougar, stock number 63912. It's ran from 11th 2012 to the 10th 2014. It has a TF 2-litre turbo diesel engine, but a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a TF 2-litre turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, front bonnet no dents, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,